back, people. We got the new camera out. We're good. And let's get back to it.
My first name.
Can you see through?
There's just a kind of thing inside it. But there's actually an engine right there.
What about this one? Whoa.
Little fellas.
That one.
That's obviously a...
We all love cars the same, bro. Doesn't matter what age you are. We all love them the same.
What's this one? You can't stick it out.
This is nasty.
Oh, but like top right, come back.
Woo, wrapped in gold, baby. Stop playing with me.
I was a mechanic for 40 years.
Yeah.
You think of all this here, just scratch the bloody thing.
Yeah.
Anyway.
I mean, I got scared of the camera, I think. Porsche Boxster.
So you'd still get used fence and
Oh man, letting him sit in the car. Legend. Legends.
Hey Blake, smile. Okay. That's fun, baby.
This thing with the boys and all packing.
I finished this like 20 minutes ago.
I know.
I can look at everything.
Well, you it's on fast. Yeah, that's nice.
You're right, you go.
Hey, sir, thank you.
Oh, snap.
Oh, wow.
Snaps. Get the white one. Now we got the black one. Stop playing with me. Supercharged, baby. What is this?
It's the same car as yeah. They are. I thought that yeah. No, they're
Triple axle or double axle? Tipper or non-tipper?
One Stingray, two Stingrays, a blue under Stingray. This one here, is this a Stingray? I think it is too. This one got his thing open. Check. Oh.
Oh yeah. And the carbon fiber or at least wraps.
Hopefully you can see all this on the camera. Look at that. Look at that. Nastiness. So much to look at here. Ridiculous. Maybe you can get a better shot back, right at the back. Oh no, you can't get closer to that. Oh, look at the back end of this thing. Stingrays.
That should increase 20%. Yeah, we're really happy with that. Because maybe you're going to turn people off. Oh, wow. It's actually a lot of space. Brand new.
I'll take. Stop playing with me. Sorry.